The Kessler Syndrome, proposed by NASA scientist Donald J. Kessler in 1978, is a theoretical scenario in which the density of objects in low Earth orbit due to space pollution is high enough that collisions between objects could cause a cascade in which each collision generates space debris that increases the likelihood of further collisions. One implication is that the distribution of debris in orbit could render space activities and the use of satellites in specific orbital ranges difficult for many generations. Willie Lee predicted in 1960 that in time, a number of such accidentally too lucky shots will accumulate in space and will have to be removed when the era of manned space flight arrives. After the launch of Sputnik 1 in 1957, the North American Aerospace Defense Command began compiling a database of all known rocket launches and objects reaching orbit, satellites, protective shields and upper and lower stage booster rockets. NASA later published modified versions of the database in two-line element set, and during the early 1980s the CellStrack bulletin board system republished them. The trackers who fed the database were aware of other objects in orbit, many of which were the result of in-orbit explosions. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.